TextCortex Review, Usage Experience. Links to TextCortex are in the description, so feel free to explore them after the video. In this review, I'll break down TextCortex's features, who it's best for, and how it enhances your content creation process. TextCortex is an AI-powered writing assistant designed to streamline content generation for marketers, writers, and business owners. The platform specializes in generating high-quality, human-like text for blogs, emails, ads, and even creative projects. One of its standout features is contextual awareness. The AI adapts to your writing style, ensuring that generated text feels natural and aligned with your voice. A key feature is the AI text expansion tool, which allows users to turn bullet points into full paragraphs or rewrite existing content with just a click. This makes it incredibly useful for SEO specialists and copywriters looking to repurpose content quickly. Additionally, TextCortex offers email generation and ad copy creation, perfect for marketers aiming to save time without sacrificing quality. TextCortex also integrates seamlessly into Chrome, WordPress, and Gmail, allowing you to use the tool directly within your workflow. No need to switch tabs or jump between applications. The AI works wherever you write. This on-the-go functionality boosts productivity, especially for remote teams and busy professionals. Another strength is its ability to generate product descriptions for e-commerce platforms, making it a valuable tool for online retailers looking to automate listing creation. TextCortex can also help with idea generation and brainstorming, making it versatile for both creative and technical writing needs. The platform's interface is intuitive and beginner-friendly, meaning you can start generating text with minimal learning curve. Users can also train the AI to learn brand-specific language, ensuring consistency across marketing channels. In summary, TextCortex is a must-have for anyone looking to automate content generation while maintaining quality and creativity. It's ideal for marketers, copywriters, and entrepreneurs aiming to scale their content production efficiently. Don't forget to check the description for links, and if you found this review helpful, like and subscribe for more insights.